In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the folder color in Google Drive. If you've ever wanted to add a bit of personal flair or an organizational touch to your Google Drive, changing the folder colors is a simple yet effective way to do just that. Having different colors for different folders can help you quickly identify categories or priorities at a glance. Whether you're organizing work projects, personal files, or school documents, a splash of color can make a world of difference. So, let's get started on how you can personalize your Drive with this easy modification. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive account. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and enter your login credentials. It's important that you do this because you need to be signed in to access and make changes to your folders. Now, once you're inside your Drive, you'll see all your files and folders displayed. Take a moment to identify which folder you'd like to change the color of. It's usually a good idea to start with a folder that you use frequently or one you need to access quickly. Hover your mouse over the folder to see a small drop-down arrow appear on the right side of the folder name. This arrow is your key to accessing the menu with various options you can apply to this folder. Go ahead and click on that arrow. As you click, you'll see a list of options appear, each offering different ways to manage your folder. The option we're interested in is Change Color. Look for it within this list and click on it. By doing so, you'll open a selection of color options. This is where you can get creative and choose a color that best fits your needs or preferences. You'll notice a range of colors available. Click on the one that appeals most to you, or perhaps choose a color that matches the theme of your Drive if you have one. Once you select a color, you'll see that the folder icon instantly changes to the color you've picked. This instant change helps you verify that the right folder has been colorized. If at any point you decide a different color might be more suitable, simply repeat this process. Hover over the folder, click the drop-down arrow, choose Change Color, and select a new hue. It's as simple as that. And now, your folder stands out prominently in its new color, easing your navigation and personalizing your digital workspace. And there you have it, a colorful and organized Google Drive. Now you can continue to add color to other folders in your Drive, bringing both organization and personal aesthetics that enhance your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.